Hi everyone, welcome back to Noun News and Update. As you all know that in this channel, uh, main purpose is to break down complex stuff for you on how to do stuff by yourself. So meanwhile, we have taken our time to um to go through the comment and also requests that people are making. And today, what we'll be teaching you and guiding you on is how to take your online lectures. People don't know how to take their online lectures and they've sent a request to us. We'll take it, as I said, that we're going to look into it and see how we can make that one happen. So today we'll show you step by step guide on how to take your online lectures. Okay, let's dive in immediately. Then before you dive in, if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly subscribe. It's going to encourage us to do more and give you more guide on things you ought to know. So just go to elearn.nou.edu.ng. This website. Just go to this website elearn.nou.edu.ng. It's going to take you to home like this. When it take you to home, click on login like this. Once you click on login like this, it's going to take you here. If you have logged in before, your information will be here. If you have not logged in before, I've told you how to log into this e-learn portal. If you are just logging in for the first time, just put your matric number in small letter and your matric number also in small letter as password. Your matric number will be your username. It's also going to be your password in small letter. Then you can change it after that. That is for people who have not logged in before, that are just coming to this website to log in for the first time. So let's dive in. After you have come to this place, you click on login to log into the portal. Once you click on it, it's going to show something like this for you. It's going to show something like this for you. First, it's going to welcome you back to your e-learning portal. So see, this is your GST portal. It's also the portal you can use to take your online lecture, but there is a guide on how to do that. Recently, once you log into this e-learning portal, you will see the calendar, you will see the date where your courses falls to. So this courses that are seen in your portal is based on what you have registered, and what you have registered for courses and exam is your own personal course and exam registration. So you cannot see anyone. So based on the courses that is being uploaded that you register from your now student portal, so you're going to see it here. You will see the date, you will see when it's going to open and all sorts. So likewise, let me just go. You want to scroll down, you will see the calendar and every down thing that you need. So once you scroll down, you'll be seeing one after the other. Can you see you have this person have class on 15th, on the 16th, on the 17th, and on the 18th. So you even see the course code of your class. Can you see the course code, your GS 105, 107, CSS 111, and also. So this is how, and also the link for the class is provided here. You can just click on the link and go through and go there immediately. This is it. Just click on the link and go there immediately and go through where the lecture is taking place. If the lecture is not taking place, to tell you that the lecture is not taking place. See, can you see the calendar? You can see the calendar here when you're having your classes. Can you see for all? You see, can you see it's here? You can easily get to this calendar and import it in your calendar on your phone. So it's going to be for calendar on your phone. You'll be getting a notification once you just click on the export calendar. You can export calendar and it's going to be in your meeting schedule for the calendar. So let's dive in. Let us say now we have all these courses right away. We have all these courses that is in your portal. And how am I going to take the courses? Let me give you an example. So once you just click on this thing like this, click on this. Let us say you want to take this is on the 15th. Today is 15, but the time is not yet. We've not started the class. You click on the link like this. Link. This is a link. It's going to take you to something like this. Can you see? just take you to something like this, and this is just one of our history and philosophy of science. Can you see? This is how it's going to look like. Then it's going to tell you everything. You see the courses, you see the time. Can you see the courses and the time? You said your coin is going to be the current class that is going to be taking place this day. So you have to watch, you have to take note of the day that you'll be having your classes. So, and I'll still show you how to take note of those day that will be having your classes. And you see the next one is 15th on Friday, is 15th. That means you'll be having this on Friday, and time will be there, which is this. And education is 1 hour. Make sure you attend because you are mixed. Some a lot of people we may see the host here, Helen Titilola Ol Olajede Olojede. So this is the host here. So you see every down thing, passcode and every down thing you need to know. You can also go to your e-courseware from this place and download the e-courseware. So this is how exactly once that class started, you will just see the link in this place. Just click on it, you join the class immediately. So it's pretty very simple. Then if you are now like you want to see every down thing, let's go back to the page. So yeah, so this is this is the page, but this is the home page back. I told you how to click on it, how to this is the home page bar. You see, these are the courses. You just pick the courses. This is 15th, and you go to your courses and do a lot of things. This is the calendar, but you want to see a lot of course. And I told you earlier, just click on the dashboard. You're going to see everything. But if you want to take your TMA, you see you click on it here and take your TMA courses. Can you see? Take your TMA courses. But if we are talking about how to take online courses now, you just click on the home page like this. Yes, go to home site and go there. So then after that you can scroll down to the main button, which is the footer button. You want to see all the courses, you see something like course for facilitation schedule. Can you see this place? This thing is very important. If you want to see all your course, you want to narrow it down, you want to see when you will be having class, and you can also note it down. Just click on it like this. It's going to take you to that page. It's called my learning space.nou.edu. Can you see here? So let's dive into it immediately. So once you click on that link, it's going to take you to this page. This is the page for course for facilitation. You will see all the courses that are facilitation. Can you see even from different part of department? You will see it here. Can you see how much it is? How like the course? Can you see? You can change it. You can still go to next page. It's going to show you for that next page, and you can scroll down to the bottom. This is where you can see your calendar. Then you just say, I don't want to see all the courses all the facilitation and online courses for all the department. I want to see my own department. I want to see for my own department and from my own faculty. So you can narrow it down. We're just going to teach you. So can you see faculty here? Just click on this arrow, then choose. Let's just say you want to choose for social science. Let's choose for social science. This for social science. If you want to see all the facilitation for social science alone, you just click on social science and click on apply. So it's going to show you every down thing for social science. But in the long run, when they say, oh, I don't want to see both 100 level, 200 level, or 300 or 400, 100, I want to see because it's for social science. Oh, this is going to show 100, 200, and so on and so forth. If I click on next now, you're going to see like 300 here. You will see. Can you see 200, 200? Then if I still click on next, you will see 300 level. You see it here, is 300 level. But I don't want to see everything. I want to see for 100 level or 200 level alone. This is the semesters 2023 second semester. The course code is here. The facilitator, this is the facilitator's name, the email, then the host, the department, which is criminology and um and security study for this. Then the level. Then we have the facilitate, the day of the facilitation and time for facilitation. Please note this day of facilitation is a recurring facilitation day. So it's going this course is going to be taking place mostly by Saturday. on Saturday 2 to 3. So it's a recurring. Once you import it in your Google, once you import it in your calendar, you're going to get notification. So it's a recurring. All these things they are recurring days. Can you see that Saturday again for another course, which is going to be another time. So the time is different for most of the courses and what you are taking as well. So let's just say let's narrow down again. We have this social science, but I don't want to see it all. You can even search by course code, but most especially don't put space in between. But if you want to search for, you want to have your niche directly. Let me just say, I want to ask for department social science. I want to ask for, let's just say, mass communication alone. Mass communication alone. Let's just pick this is mass com. Can you see it in mass com? Click on mass com. You see, you already chose the faculty. You want to choose for the whole department as well. Then you can choose for mass com. It's going to bring all the mass com, both 100 level, 200 level here. But you want to see for 100 level alone, you can still narrow it down and click on level. Let's see 100 level alone and apply. Can you see? Can you see? You can already apply. This is for 100 level alone. And also, maybe you want to check for all the courses that you're going to be having. Can you see it's not more, it's something that you can easily assimilate all the 100 level courses. Then you can check the dates and also then you click on it. Once you check the date, you have your calendar and you go back and take your presentation. If you want to take it, just go back to your e-learn portal and click on it to take the courses and go online to take the lecture immediately. Then you can also say I want to narrow it down to all the courses for Thursday. Let's just say Thursday. This 100. Can you see? It's going to show all the Thursday courses that you have. So this is how you can usually narrow it down. And you can also search. You just say I want to search for this course alone. When I'm going to be having this course as an 100 level. Okay, let's say this. When am I going to be having this mark 13113? So you can put it here like this, it's like this, then apply it. So can you see? You don't want to have the agency any day, but you want to search for this alone. Then in 100 level, you can see it here. And I think then apply. It should be any day. Can you see? This is it. This is how to narrow down and take your fast and take your online courses. I hope this video has really helped you to make sure that you take your courses and you take your online courses. Then if you have helped you and if it has guided you on how to do that, kindly give us a like, share this video, and also if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to this video. It's going to encourage us to do more. So go back to your home and do courses. That's it, just how to go about it. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. See you next time. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.